What is MS PowerPoint? Explain about components of PowerPoint opening screen. First point, Microsoft PowerPoint is a widely used software application developed by Microsoft for creating presentations. Second point, it is part of the Microsoft Office suite and is available for both Windows and macOS platforms. Third point, PowerPoint allows users to create slideshows that incorporate text, images, graphics, animations, and multimedia elements such as audio and video. Fourth point, components of the PowerPoint opening screen. Point, title bar. Pointer located at the top of the PowerPoint window. The title bar displays the name of the presentation and the application, Microsoft PowerPoint. Fifth point, quick access toolbar. Pointer situated next to the title bar. This customizable toolbar provides quick access to frequently used commands like save, undo, and redo. Sixth point, ribbon. Point A, the ribbon is a prominent feature in Microsoft Office applications. Point B, it is organized into tabs, example, home, insert, design, that contain groups of related commands. Point C, each tab corresponds to certain tasks you might perform when creating or editing presentations. Seventh point, slides outline pane. Point A, on the left side of the PowerPoint window, you typically find the slides or outline pane. Point B, the slides pane displays thumbnails of all slides in the presentation, allowing easy navigation and management. Point C, the outline pane displays the presentation as an outline with titles and main text of each slide. Eighth point, slide area. Point A, the largest area in the center of the window is the slide area. Point B, this is where you design and edit individual slides. Point C, it shows the slide currently selected in the slides pane. Ninth point, notes pane. Pointer located below the slide area. In default view, the notes point B pane allows you to add notes that are associated with the current slide. Point C, these notes are useful for speakers during a presentation or for additional information. 10th point, status bar. Point A, the status bar is located at the bottom of the PowerPoint window. Point B, it displays information about the current slide, such as slide number and layout, and provides controls for zooming in and out of slides. 11th point, view buttons. Point A, in the bottom right corner of the window, there are buttons to switch between different views like normal view, slide sorter view, reading view, and slideshow view. 12th point, these components collectively provide a user-friendly interface for creating, editing, and delivering presentations using Microsoft PowerPoint. 13th point, each element serves a specific purpose in managing slides, content, and tools necessary for creating effective presentations.